50 common phrasal verbs with definitions and examples. Phrasal verbs are two or more words that together act as a completely new verb with a meaning different from those of the original words. For example, look after means to take care of someone or something, which is quite different from the definitions of look and after alone. This video lesson presents the most commonly used phrasal verbs with simple explanations of their meaning. Get on. Get on means to board. Example: children get on the bus and go to school. Get off. Get off means to exit or leave. Example: I must get off the train at the next station. Turn on. Turn on means to switch on or start a device. Example: could you turn the light on, please? Turn off. Turn off means to stop a device. Example: can you turn the TV off? I need to focus. Jump in. Jump in means to start doing something quickly and without hesitation. Example: I decided to jump in and help them finish the project on time. Bring up. Bring up means to mention or to raise a subject for discussion. Example: he always brings it up when we fight. I'm going to bring up this issue on the next meeting. Get across. Get across means to communicate understandably. Example: he struggled to get his idea across during the debate. Stress out. Stress out means to make someone feel very nervous and worried. Example: interviews always stress me out. Stand out. Stand out means to be better than others or to be noticeable. Example: Mary's red dress really stands out from the crowd. Put on. Put on means place clothing, makeup, lotion, etc. on your body. Example: put on your jacket. We must go. Take off. Take off means to remove something from one's body. Example: please take off your shoes. They are very dirty. Run away. Run away means to leave suddenly or to escape. Example: she wants to run away from home. Come off. Come off means to be removed from something. Example: one of the pedals has come off my bicycle. Note down. Note down means to take notes. Example: let me note down your telephone number. Look after. Look after means to take care of someone or something. It also means to be in charge. Example: Annie has to look after her elderly parents. Grow up. Grow up means to develop into an adult or to raise. Example: when I grow up, I want to be a pop star. Tear up. Tear up means to tear paper into pieces. Example: why did you tear up that letter? Pick up. Pick up means to lift something or someone. Example: can you pick up the pen for me? It's on the floor. Fill in. Fill in means to fill something completely or to complete a form or document. Example: I had to fill in 3 forms to get my new passport. I need to go to the dentist to fill my tooth in. Get in. Get in means to enter. Example: the minibus has a lift to help wheelchair users to get in. Get out. Get out means to leave a place or a vehicle. Example: He felt too lazy to get out of bed. The door locked accidentally, and I couldn't get out of the room. Calm down. Calm down means to become less angry, upset, or excited. Example: calm down for a minute and listen to me. Carry on. Carry on means to continue. Example: carry on with your work while I'm away. Call off. Call off means to cancel. Example: my boss called off the meeting, so I have a free afternoon. We'll have to call off the picnic if it doesn't stop raining. Check out. Check out means to find out if something is correct or true. Example: I'm going to check out that new club. Cheer up. Cheer up means to become or make somebody more cheerful. Example: try and cheer up a bit, life isn't that bad. Clean up. Clean up means make yourself or something clean and tidy. Example: help me clean up the house before the guests come. Count on. Count on means trust and depend on somebody or something. Example: if there is anything I can do, count on me. Dress up. Dress up means to put on special clothes. Example: she likes to dress up for a party. End up. End up means to find yourself in a place or situation that you did not intend or expect to be in. Example: if he carries on shoplifting, he'll end up in jail. Find out. Find out means to discover. Example: I'll find out her secret. Get away. Get away means to escape. Example: I had to get away from the party. It was awful. Get back. Get back means to return, especially to a former position or activity. Example: let's get back to the point. I woke early, but couldn't get back to sleep. Get over. Get over means to deal with a difficult situation or feelings. Or overcome a problem. Example: she can't get over her shyness. We had to get over many problems. Get together. Get together means to meet. Example: when they get together, all they talk about is clothes and fashion. Give up. Give up means to quit or stop doing something. Example: she didn't give up work when she had the baby. Go ahead. Go ahead means to continue a plan or activity. Example: who made the decision to go ahead with the project? Go for. Go for means to describe an intention or an action. Or to apply for somebody or something. Example: let's go for a jog in the park. Don't care what people think and just go for it. Go on. Go on means to continue. Example: unemployment is likely to go on rising this year. Let in. Let in means to allow someone or something to enter. Example: let's open the window to let in some fresh air. Show off. Show off means to try to impress others. Example: she likes to wear short skirts to show off her legs. Think over. Think over means to consider something before making a decision. Example: I'll think it over and give you an answer next week. Throw away. Throw away means to get rid of something that you no longer want. Example: I had to throw away the uneaten food. Come back. Come back means to return. Example. What time will you come back from school this evening? Sit down. Sit down means to move from standing position to a sitting position. Example. I just want to sit down and rest. Plug in. Plug in means to connect a device to electricity. Example. Is the printer plugged in? Where can I plug in the vacuum cleaner? Cross out. Cross out means to draw a line through something to show that it's wrong. Example. Cross out the incorrect words. Run out. Run out means that something becomes finished or used and there is no left. Example. We are running out of milk. Can you go shopping? Write down. Write down means write something on paper. Example. I'd better write this down, otherwise I'll forget it. Put back. Put back means to return something to a place where it belongs. Example. The files have been put back in the wrong order. Thanks for watching.